Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to crochet this doily rug. You can use it for your flower pot inside the house or a center table display. Okay, I am going to use this t-shirt yarn, alright, and a size J hook, 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. Can you see it properly, guys? I already adjust my stand. Okay, I have a shadow again. I don't know where I keep my light, and I'm not done unpacking the things yet, so but it's okay. I will continue this tutorial anyway today. Okay, to begin, we're going to make a magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2. My table also is shaky. I think the floor is not balanced. And into the ring, we are going to make 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This is counted as first double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we are going to close the ring. We have 2 strands here. One is in the inside and one is in the outside. This one is in the outside. So the one from the inside, we're going to pull that halfway from left to the right. Okay, and now we are going to pull this tail. Pull it nice and tight. Now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. This is the beginning chain 3. On top, we're going to join it there with slip stitch. Okay, and now make a chain 3 for the round 2. This is counted as first double again, and into the same stitch we're going to make 1 double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochet. And we are going to continue working 2 double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 16. Okay, let's count to make sure that we have 16 double crochet around. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the round 3, make a chain 3. This is counted as first double again, and into the same stitch make 1 double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch and 2 double crochet into the next. Two double crochet into the next. 2 double crochet into the next. Now I want you guys to go ahead and repeat this pattern around, making 2 double crochet into each stitches around, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have 32 double crochet around. Now let's join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Alright, now for the round 4, make a chain 3 and then make 1 double crochet into the same stitch again. So we have 2 double crochet into the first stitch, and into the next stitch make 1 double crochet and make 2 double crochet into the next, one double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Now I want you guys to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch and then 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next. Repeat this pattern around and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round 4, guys, and I have the total of 48 double crochet around, and my last stitch is 1 double crochet. Okay, now we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And then make a chain 3 again for the next round. 1 2 3 4. For the 5th round, make a chain 3, and into the same stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch in the beginning, and make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. 1 2, make 1 double crochet into each of those. 1 2, and then 2 double crochet into the next, then 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, and 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, two double crochet into the next, now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, 2 double crochet into the next. Finish your round, guys, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 64 double crochet around, and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Now for the round 6, we are going to make a chain 1 and then single crochet into the same stitch. Okay, and we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, 1 2, and into the next stitch we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3, and into the same stitch we are going to make 1 treble crochet, wrap around yarn on hook twice, 1 2, insert hook into the same stitch, pull up yarn, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops, and draw all loops. That's the treble. And now we are going to do a picot. Make a chain 3, 1 2 3, and in on top of the treble, okay, this is the treble on top here, using the 2 strands, the 2 loops here at the front, there are 2 loops at the back as well. Insert hook in between like that, and then pull up yarn, that's the picot. Okay, and then into the same stitch we're going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. We have the shell with picot in between. Okay, now skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, into the next stitch, make a single crochet, and we are going to repeat this again. Okay, skip the next 2 stitches, into the next stitch we're going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then make 1 treble crochet into the same stitch, pull through, pull through, pull through. And now we are going to do the picot again, 1, 2, 3, insert hook in the front loop of the front loop side of the treble crochet. Okay, let me show you. Insert hook here all the way there. You have 2 strands at the front, and then pull up yarn all through here. So we have the picot, and then make 3 double crochet into the same stitch again, 1, 2, 3. Now we completed the next shell, the second shell, first shell, second shell, and we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, into the next stitch, make a single crochet, and then you are going to repeat this around. Okay, skip the next 2 stitches, and then shell with picot like this into the next stitch, and then skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet into the next, skip the next 2 stitches, and then shell with picot like this. Okay, go ahead and repeat this pattern around, and I will meet you before the joining. Alright, before the joining, I still have 3 stitches left here, 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do to make the very last shell, I am going to skip 1 stitch, and into the next stitch I'm going to make the shell. 1, 2, 3, and then make a treble, then make a picot, and then 3 double crochet into the same stitch, and now I am going to skip the very last stitch here, and into the first single in the beginning of the round we are going to join it there with slip stitch, and we can close our work here. You can cut the yarn, and then this is how the doily rug looks like. Hold on, let me see if I can. Okay, can you see it, guys? This is how it looks like, and this measures 1 10 inches. Yeah, 10 inches in diameter. So okay guys, I finished this project. I hope you enjoy crocheting along with me. This is how the back looks like. Don't forget to weave the tail of your work, and when you cut it, just leave a longer length so you have enough to weave it later. Okay, you can use it to as a base for your flower base or whatever you wanna put at the center, or you can just use it as a coaster. It's up to you where you wanna use it. Okay, I hope you like the pattern, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have fun crocheting along with me, and see you again for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.